Welcome to my channel. I'm here with the introduction of another educational course. This course is designed for all enthusiasts of computer engineering, from students and learners to professionals and curious minds. For those who want to start from zero and reach a professional level, this course offers a comprehensive pathway. It's also an ideal option for career changers, skill enhancement, or turning interest into expertise. This course has around 14,000 students and a rating of 4.5. Making it successful and practical. Currently, the price is about €12. By purchasing this course, you will have full access to it and be able to benefit from future updates. The total duration is 46 hours and you will receive a certificate upon completion. In this course, you will learn what you'll learn. Introduction of what we call a computer and its advancement throughout these years. All the components that are essential to make a computer. Foundation for the entire computer engineering. Strong foundation of programming using Python with its practical lab. Semiconductor science and why it's important. Logic, Boolean algebra, with all the operations and Karnaugh mapping and its solution techniques. Machines, instruments that you really need to know as an engineer. Concepts of assembly language programming, that is used to program hardware architectures. Electrical technologies, building blocks of electronics, and more. Now, I want to offer this fascinating course to you, completely free and legally. To see how it's done, first subscribe to our channel and add this video to your watch list. Then, just open your browser and search in Google for discountedcourseninja.com. From the results shown to you, click on that link. Make sure the website address matches exactly what's shown here, and you'll be directed to discountedcourseninja.com. After clicking the link, you'll land on the site's homepage. On this site, you can access various discount coupons for courses. Use the search section to find the desired course. You can also explore topics using the categories section. Here, you can view our featured course. Now, scroll down and click the button labeled Get the Coupon. The course will be made available to you for free. Note that the coupon has a time limit. So, with just a few clicks, you've gained legal and free access to this course. If this video was useful for you, like and subscribe, and share it with your friends.